Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some unique ideas of crochet doilies. You will see some most attractive patterns in this video with beautiful border edging designs. All of these designs are very unique and attractive. Most of these designs are having a double crochet stitch as major stitch used in them, and for borders, single crochet stitch is used along with chain picot in most of the designs. And all of these designs are really attractive and gorgeous, having beginner friendly patterns. You will see simple double crochet stitch rounds, granny stripped granny round pattern. You will see shell stitch pattern along with these stitches in some of the designs. And all of these designs are having different kinds of modified shell stitch border patterns as well. And these designs are all having very attractive and gorgeous contrasting color schemes as well, as you can see. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like most of these designs, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. So press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications of future uploads from this channel. So stay connected and take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make it by yourself at home. If you know crochet work, you can see all of these designs are beginner friendly, so you can easily make them if you are a crocheter. And if you don't know crochet work, or if you are a beginner and you cannot follow the pattern just with the help of picture, you can see my tutorial videos available on my channel as well. I also upload crochet tutorial videos on my channel, so you will find huge collections of different costers, doilies, and other different round patterns which are available on my channel. So you can follow the spiral lace doily pattern and other different crochet patterns which are available on my channel. Shell stitch pattern is also available. So if you are interested in seeing more designs, do let me know in the comments as well. Your opinion will help me grow and make more content which you like. So don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box, and also share this video with the handmade products lovers and crochet products lovers in your circle, so that they can also get benefit from these type of ideas videos containing latest trends and attractive patterns of different handmade products. Other than crochet stuff ideas, I also upload macrame projects ideas videos, hand knitted projects ideas, crafting related ideas, and all other types of handmade products ideas which are related to home decoration and are related to wearable accessories of women and kids. Both of these categories are widely used categories of products in our daily life. So stay connected to get all types of ideas of these two categories, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.